Hi friends, in this video we will see how to create a Microsoft account. Basically, Microsoft account used to leverage a Microsoft services. Let's click on the browser and type accounts.microsoft.com. Then click on sign in. And as we don't have any email address, so just click on create new. Click on the create new email address. You can type your desired email address here, and here you can select the outlook.com or the hotmail.com. So I will be proceed with the outlook.com and just type your email address here. So I'm just putting learning by okay. Then click on next, then put your password, click on the next. So country will be India, and select your birth date. Click on the next. So you need to solve this puzzle. Then click on the submit. So your verification is complete. Click on the next, continue. So now you will be redirected to Microsoft account page. Then here in the right side, click on the my profile. So basically this is your profile page. Here you can see your all the details like birth date, region, your email address. Uh, I have not put my full name here, so just add your full name here. So put your first name, then the last name, enter the capture, same. So yes, so our Microsoft profile is completed now. Now in the left side, click on this icon, and you can see there are many out Microsoft services, right, which you can be used now with this new account. So I will just show you how you can use the Outlook account. So just click on Outlook. You can see the Outlook is loading now. See, so this is a Microsoft account which we are using with our new Microsoft account. So we will be using this Microsoft account to leverage the next Microsoft services like Microsoft Azure, right? Microsoft DevOps. And in the next video, I will show you how to create a Microsoft account with your Gmail ID, right? So thanks for watching.